Hi viewers, I am Shahid Imran, and in this video I am going to tell you about how you can create a successful YouTube channel, a popular channel. How can you make your channel successful and popular? So I will give you some tips, some tricks, some solid base things which are very important to create a new channel, and you should know about all these things before the creation of your YouTube channel. If you see this video completely, I promise you must be able to create a profitable channel on YouTube. So I will tell you some tricks, some important things which are very necessary for starting a new channel, and those things which you should be know before the starting channel, and some things which are very crucial to know. You should avoid those things to make your channel very powerful. So stay with me, see my video completely, subscribe my channel, and must be press the bell icon so that my upcoming videos will reach to you. So let's start our video. Friends, these are 10 key points you should know before starting a new YouTube channel. First of all, set your mind and get some proper knowledge about video editing and channel formation. It is very necessary. Before starting a channel, you should learn video editing, because your very first video for uploading is your first expression. Create a unique introduction video of your channel. What is your channel for, and what are you going to represent in your channel? Create channel with attractive name and make your channel specific for some hot topic like technology, education or entertainment. Do proper setting of your channel with hard hit keywords of the time. SEOs your channel and regularly post your informative videos. Don't be oversmart. Don't post fake news or wrong information. Only make videos on authentic topics and pure contents. Use thumbnails as trailer of your video which is actually represented your video content. Don't boast. Promote your channel on social media with positive outlook. Use Facebook, Twitter or other public sites to go viral. Must request to your viewers to subscribe your channel, like and share your video and comment. And last one, must submit your own comment on your video after uploading to start a healthy debate. No friends, some things which are very crucial to avoid. Don't load your video with meaningless things. Only make it to the point and according to your channel title. Don't use wrong description under your video. Give information only about your video content. Don't make too short videos. A typical duration is over 2 minutes and less than 40 minutes. But you can make longer video if you have an interesting content. Be careful about YouTube copyright policy. Don't use stolen content in your video and only create your own content. Don't follow others' trend or channel impacts. Keep safe your identity and create your own trend. Don't be miser to view others' channel or give subscribe. When you view, like, comment or subscribe others' channel, your channel gets many benefits to grow. Don't be tired with hard working. Your hard work is the only key to open gate of success. Don't be harsh with your viewers or subscribers. Do their respect. So friends, I hope you have learned the right way to create the YouTube channel. So I will guide you how to edit your video, how to add effects in your video, how to start your channel, how to make settings of your channel effectively, and how to promote your channel. So be with me, be ready for my upcoming videos for your learning. So that till that, goodbye, see you next video.